Hey, Saturday, 11 o'clock almost. Yeah, it's about 1:45. Um, well, I finally got some service, and before I got service, somebody told me that it was going to rain today. Now, that wasn't what they were forecasting, but it's the weather. But kind of a makeshift type of thing. I didn't plan on it, but I'm glad that I brought some cordage with me. I got some tar line. Forgot what it's called at this moment, and it really doesn't matter. I think as long as you got some cordage. But anyway, I had an extra tarp, and I kind of made a makeshift gazebo on the poncho. Here, I'll show you. But it's about the best I can do with what I had. So this is basically it. You gotta forgive me, but that's it right there. And didn't have many toggles either, so I had to use what I had to use. I basically took it, didn't even cut the line, but I basically took it and tied it to the bench, and then from there followed it through and then went back, set it up, went all the way through, put a trekking pole around all the way. Oop, got it. Tree, went around the tree, another tree, through the toggle, grabbed a stick. I'm sure you see that. And then back. Bam. And actually, bam. It goes through here. And I didn't have any more stakes, but we got wood, and that's the important part. So that's some of the stuff that I had from last night while I was burning, and use that. And so far, it's pretty cool. I mean, I put all this stuff in here before, I found out about the tarp, actually, trying to figure something out. But this is it. So, yeah. And I've got like a little firebox stove, or the little butane tank, so I can do that. But yeah, not bad. I mean, as long as I could sit. Oh, the house is this way. Yeah, as long as I can sit. I don't know if this can be upside down. I have no idea. Since SD card doesn't work. But anyway, I mean, get out and do something. That's the important part. But I'm kind of proud of this. It's actually starting to rain now. I don't know if you could hear it. But there you go. I mean, this is awesome. And what's cool about that little stuff right there, I can make my own little firebox right here, closer to me. And I've got the little grill. It's all good. This is why I love camping. You're making stuff up as you go along. It's life. But it's life without stuff. And accepting it and liking it. I just noticed. I don't think I did a decent job shaving, but what do you expect with those, dollar store shaving things? The blades. I mean, we really got spoiled with the 3 to 5 blades on the Gillette stuff. So now it's like we don't have the time or patience to shave, which is kind of sad. But yeah, I'm digging this. I'm really digging this. The bike is covered. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, see, the bike is halfway covered, which is good. I got that half covered, which is from Rig, JR Rig or something like that. Man, I'm so bad with names. But yeah, it's a half one. It's I think that one is a large, or no, that's a medium. I don't know how the large was going to be, but I should have gotten the large because that would have probably fit the saddlebags and all that other stuff in there. No big deal, I mean, just to keep the top cover. And a little rain ain't going to hurt it. But, the leaves and all that stuff from coming down, that's stuff that I didn't like. I mean, just here I'm doing it and stuff's falling, which is not a bad thing. It's not scary. But yeah, it's raining. And I'm getting dry. Cool. Now I don't have that much juice on this one because I was going to go out and get me like a battery bank. Because the one that I have, it was dead. And I charged this phone, and it got it to 20%. So I'm not uploading anything, taking pictures. But yeah, kind of, digging this. People are leaving. So pretty soon, I'll start a fire. I'm just going to sit down and read for a while. Something I haven't done. Just sit down and read. Read the word. That's what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll make some more coffee. And chill out. I needed this. This is the guy. Mediocre guy. Anyway, I'm getting off this thing.